Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. If you want to make a project by Arduino, this video is for you. This is a DIY automated parking gate. In this video, I will show you in detail how you can make this. At first, let's see which component you need for this project. You need one Arduino Uno. Then you need one ultrasonic sensor, one SG90 servo motor. This is 180-degree servo motor. Then you need one breadboard. This is 400 points breadboard. You need some male-to-male jumper wires. And lastly, the cable for Arduino to upload the code. Now it's time for hooking up ultrasonic sensor and servo motor with Arduino. In a ultrasonic sensor, you can find 4 pins. Connect VCC of ultrasonic sensor with Arduino 5V. Ultrasonic trigger pin will connect to Arduino digital pin 3. An ultrasonic echo pin will be connected with Arduino digital pin 5. And the ground pin of ultrasonic sensor will be connected with Arduino ground. Hooking up ultrasonic sensor with Arduino has been completed. Now time to connect the servo motor with Arduino. You can see from servo motor there are 3 colors of wires. The brown color wire, which is ground, will be connected with Arduino ground. And the red color wire of the servo motor, which is VCC, will be connected with Arduino 5V. Lastly, the orange color wire of servo motor, which is signal, will be connected with Arduino digital pin 9. So both the ultrasonic sensor and servo motor hooking with Arduino has been completed. Now it's time to upload the code. I will share this code in the description. You can download it from the link. Copy the code from the link and open to your Arduino IDE. Then select board and port correctly and upload the code to your Arduino. That's all. After uploading the code, you can use this to your own prototype. If you face any challenge to make this project, you can comment below. I will try to help you. Thanks for watching. You are welcome to my next video.